I am Forever Slim. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thanks for joining us today. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my unboxing video for the hair that I use to achieve these box braids. So if you're interested, please stay tuned because I'm going to show you all about this hair I ordered from Amazon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've got the box open now, and this is what the hair looks like. When I opened the box, it was just like laying down like that. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging that it's in. Sorry for the horrible angles. I'm trying to like hold the camera and show you this at the same time. So this is how it looks like. Just very simple packaging. Nothing extravagant. And it says Toyotress, or yeah, I'm gonna go with Toyotress since 2004. And it's supposed to be 8 packs of hair inside of this little bag. So let's check it out and see what we got. So this is what one bag of the hair looks like. And it looks like it might be okay. I mean, it does kind of feel like it's pretty thin, but I got 8 packs in this one container, or whatever you want to call it, one package worth of hair, and I got the 33 inches. I am sitting on the floor because I don't like to have boxes on the furniture. So I'm trying to do a much better job of not having boxes on the furniture and just like put them on the floor. And since the hair is packaged, I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. So that's how it looks. And I'm going to open it up in just a minute and show you how I do my braids. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what the hair looks like. And this is just 2 packages. This is one packet, and then this is the second one. So I don't know, they look kind of small to me, and I don't know, I was like really kind of hesitant when I first opened the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these up so you can see, and I hope that you can kind of see how the hair slides down to the very bottom of the package. But if I flip it over like that, then you get a better idea of the length. I hope you guys can see that. I hope. If not, maybe you get the drift. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys, so you can see how it looks. And this plastic is so loud. I'm so sorry, but this plastic is so loud. And if you hear noise in the background, I am multitasking. Okay, y'all, so I finally got the package open, and it was just so loud, I had to go off camera and open it. So this is how it looks. I don't think this is the best angle, but this is how it looks. And it's 33 inches. Maybe it's 30 inches, but that's how it looks. So it's pretty long. And yeah, it's long. Like it's long. And it feels really soft and smooth. And it did say that it was pre-stretched, and it looks kind of pre-stretched to me. I've already used some of this hair because I started doing my braids yesterday around, I don't know, I started doing them yesterday. That's all I know. I started doing my braids yesterday, and this is the hair that I'm using. I ordered this hair from Amazon, and it was like $30 for the 8 packets of hair. And I think I'm gonna have enough. I did order another another box just in case, just because I want to be sure that I have plenty of hair. So yeah, but this is it. It is super long, 30 inches. It might be 33, I don't recall, but let me go grab the details and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the full length of the hair. It is 30 inches, and it says 30-inch pre-stretched braiding knotless braids hair, 8 packs, super long, itch-free, hot water set-in, synthetic fiber, crochet braiding hair, 30 inches, and I got it in the color 1B. So that's the details from Amazon. And I ordered this it came on Thursday, so I ordered it on Tuesday. Let me check my shipping details because I don't want to be lying to y'all. So yeah, I ordered this on Tuesday and I got it on a Thursday. So shipping was really fast. It was on Amazon Prime. And as soon as I'm done with my braids, I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks. I've already started, but like I said, I'm filming this in between working and talking to my clients. So it's gonna take me a couple of days to get this done just because I am working and trying to multitask. But yeah, this is the unboxing, and I will try to put the information to purchase this hair in the description box below. Thanks for watching.